We are advanced artists now, so we don't draw simple cone ice creams now. We have to draw an advanced picture. So we choose to draw an ice cream scoop. So we have drawn a bowl and a spoon is there in this bowl. Welcome to this video, and we are going to draw such advanced pictures in this video. So are you ready to move to our next picture? Colorful. This is a simple glass and a straw. But when we have to draw the drinks or any glass that is used for drinking, we should draw like this. So cylindrical glasses are good, but this is better. And we can add a small piece of lemon there, and the straw is also very colorful, and this is going to be the best art. Now let's move to our next picture. This is a packet of French fries. Do you like French fries? By the way, do you like potatoes? Anyway, we can draw the French fries very easily because they are in a shape of rectangular bar. So we have drawn the main picture and we can give colors as well. We can use yellow colors for the French fries. This is also a food item. What is this? This is a burger. Wow. We can draw a smiling face and 2 legs and 2 hands for the burger. So this is very cute, and we can give yellow color to the burger's main body, and then we can add red color. So this is a hot chili sauce and cheese in the center of the burger. Do you like that? Very yummy and spicy. Now let us move to the final picture in this video. Is this a snake? No. We are transforming this into the picture of an ice pop. Do you like ice pops? Which is your favorite? Ice pops or ice creams? Anyways, I like ice pops. And this is all in this video. Thank you for watching.